Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today is going to be a very touchy subject for some. If you're not doing your job, it's going to be a touchy subject. I am going to speak on CAs, and I am also going to point out a few things that I have noticed and some issues that have been creeping into my inbox, and I am just going to bring it to light. I have my handy dandy notebook and also my pen, so you know it means business. Before we get started, make sure you view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want?
So I hope you have your wine or tea, and then make sure you have a snack. Get comfortable. I am not here to bash. You guys know I honestly just keep it 100% real. I speak on the good. I also speak on the bad. Over here in Marquita LV Luxury Land, we keep it real and we keep just basically honest over here. I also want to say welcome to the new subbies. A lot of you guys have been asking me, what is a CA? What is an SA? I spoke on this in a past video, but a CA is a client advisor. I am only going to speak on Louis Vuitton because that's who I shop with. Most of my handbags are from Louis Vuitton. A CA is basically your right-hand man. The person that basically assists you. You don't have to, look on Instagram for someone to help you. You don't even have to go into the boutiques if you don't want to. They will send you an invoice, you can pay, and the item is shipped straight to your home. A CA sends you lookbook. They tell you about the upcoming releases. A CA, a good CA, they know what handbags you love. They know what handbags you will be interested in. They basically study you and they cater to your needs. You shouldn't have to do anything but send a text message or an email letting them know what you want, and they should be on top of it. An SA, in my opinion, this is a sales associate. This is these are the people that are basically browsing around the boutiques, and they are holding the iPads, getting your information. They are trying to honestly scope you out and learn what you like, and if you could, potentially be a client of theirs. If you go in and you don't spend any money, and I'm being honest with you, if you don't spend any money, you have them taking this handbag down, taking this handbag down. Guys, they are not honestly going to want to deal with you. I am being honest with you. If they look at you and they assist you that day and they don't feel a vibe like you will honestly purchase at least twice a month or at least once a month, they are not going to want to deal with you. So sales associates basically are those people roaming around holding, their phone in their hand, trying to get your information, and they assist you for that moment. So that's not your CA. You will know if it's a CA if they give you a card and they basically hold small talk conversations and they honestly contact you after that visit. They will send you, they will go through your profile, they will scope out your purchase history, and they will send you a text message or an email trying to basically reel you in. So, okay, you got it? A CA and what an SA is. Let's move on. Opening up my notebook. I feel like a teacher right now, but I am going to teach you guys. I really am. I'm here to help. Okay, so we went over that, the CA, what a CA is, what a SA is. Okay, first stop. We are going to speak on these Instagram CAs. Guys, I've met some wonderful people. I've met some wonderful CAs, guys, from all over the world that's on Instagram, okay? They are doing their job. They are trying to get these sales. They are trying to, you know, rack up on these clients. And I absolutely love the hustle. I love the grind. You guys basically are doing a great job, okay? But some of you Instagram CAs are very rude. It's coming to my inbox. I have been holding back for a while, but some of you Instagram CAs, let me put this down. Some of you Instagram CAs are very rude. I understand the frustration. I really do. Especially if you post, you know, a handbag and you have someone come into your DMs. They ask you 1,000,001 questions. They ask for pictures, honestly making you believe that they are going to ask for an invoice and you are going to make a sale. Yes, it's very irritating, but guys, that's your job. It's called customer service. It's called customer service. But for you to answer all the questions, you send all the pictures, and then the customer, the potential client, decides not to purchase after they hear the price. Why block them? Or tell them, I knew you were broke, or I knew you wasn't going to purchase. That's rude. That's rude. I understand the frustration, but it should never go there at all. And yes, I have a few of you Instagram CAs. I have the screenshots. I'm just holding back. And some of you guys are really top dog Instagram CAs, and I'm really holding back. I'm not trying to expose anyone, but do better. Do better. Now, as potential clients, if we see a picture on Instagram, guys, please note that it is frustrating. Do not go in these CA's inbox if you are not for sure ready to pay. You ask for these pictures. You are asking basically for them to work at the boutique and go back and forth checking these Instagram messages. You ask for an invoice. Once you get the invoice, you see the price plus the tax, and shipping should be free. And then you decide, oh, I'm gonna purchase next week. I'm gonna ask my husband. I need to ask my husband first. Oh, right now I'm at work, I'm busy. Guys, take care of all of that before going into these CA's inboxes. If you have a question about a handbag, leave it in the comments and hopefully that they will answer. But don't go in these people DMs if you are not going to be ready to pay, and do not request an invoice if you are not ready to pay at that moment. It's frustrating. So not only do the CAs have to work at the boutique, they are also trying to operate their Instagram and work and make sales. We don't know what these CAs are going through behind the scenes. We don't know the pressure, the stress. We don't know the quota that they must meet monthly. So you can't get upset. You can't get upset with the response. But the response should always remain professional, CAs, okay? So do you understand what I'm saying? We have to do our job as well. If we are not ready to pay, if we have to ask our husband for their credit card information, you should already have a screenshot of that anyway. But again, do not go bothering these CAs if you are not ready to pay, okay? I want to speak on that. And Instagram CAs, some of you guys, honestly, stop being rude. I got your information. I know who you are, okay? A good CA, guys. What a good CA. What does a good CA really consist of? Know your client. I honestly had someone, a CA, guys, because I have a lot, I'm telling you now, that I deal with. I had someone, honestly, only send me these exotic handbags. They just kept trying to just text me. I mean, why are you doing this? I've never purchased an exotic bag through you. Why would you constantly send me these exotic handbags, these high-priced handbags? Don't do that. Learn your client, know what your client like. Even if you have to go on their Instagram page, look at the unboxings, guys. Ask them what they want. How can I help you? Send them the lookbook. Send them the lookbooks. Hey, I wanted to send you, the lookbooks. These are the new launches that are coming out so and so date. Let me know if you are interested in anything. If they are an SLG collector, send them SLGs. If they are a ready-to-wear collector, meaning that they love Louis Vuitton clothes, Dior clothing, send them that. Quit sending them things that you know they are not interested in only because you want that high price ticket under your name. That's honestly selfish. You are only thinking about yourself, and you're not going to make a sale that way. Know your client. Even if you are juggling, 2 or 3 clients. Juggling 2 or 3 clients without any sales, guys, that's horrible. Even if you have to write down, guys, you have their file. Look in their profile. See, hey, I see that this person loves damier azur handbags. I see that this person loves reverse monogram handbags. I see that this person loves, the fragrances. Let me know when a new fragrance is coming out. Send them some samples. That's a good CA, okay? Yes, quit with these exotic handbags knowing that LV already had a price increase. What makes you think we want this $20,000 bag when we are trying to get a handbag that was $2,000 and now it's $4,000? Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. And last, what I want to speak on, this is a issue that I spoke on in the last video, but I want to bring this to light. CAs, if we pre-order through you and you don't have the item sent to us and the item actually come to the store first, if the handbag comes in and it comes to the boutique and you have the handbag in your possession before I come in and pick up and you did not inspect the handbag and the handbag is defective and you let me leave out with it, yes, it's your fault. Because the only concern that we need to have, honestly, as clients and buyers is happiness. It shouldn't be any concern. We have paid our money. We are excited. And sometimes, guys, when we go in, we don't think to check our handbags, especially if it's someone new to the LV community. That's not on our mind. We have just spent $3,000, $4,000, with this brand. We don't think that our handbag is going to be defective. We don't think that anything is going to be wrong with it. We don't think that a button is going to pop off, a gold stud is going to pop off, that it's a used handbag. We don't think like that. We come in expecting greatness. We come in expecting top-notch quality. So especially if it's already boxed up in the bag, we are ready to go. So CAs, yes, when that handbag, our pre-orders come in, take it out and inspect it. That makes a great CA. If I go in and you give me the option, hey, Marquita, I noticed this, I'm giving you the option, do you want to take it? Do you want me to send it back to get you another one? Oh my gosh. You have a client for life. I'm not going to blame you. I'm going to blame the brand. But what I am going to do is send more people to you. I have someone that has my back. They not only just want my money, they're not just thinking about getting another sale. They have my back, meaning I am going to come back to you. I'm going to come back to you. But if you let me leave with that handbag and I come home and notice, guys, stitching is out of place, basically a defective handbag, I'm going to question you. My CA, the person that I actually paid the invoice to, I'm going to question you. I'm going to question, do you really have my back? Do you really care? Or do you just care about my money? So, CAs, that's what makes a good CA. When that handbag comes in, guys, give us the choice. Let us know. I'm not going to go and tell LV, hey, man, this CA told me this. No. I am going to be appreciative. I am going to tell you, thank you for looking out for me. Yes, can you please send it back? Or, hey, no, it's not that bad, I'll go ahead and take it. And guys, you should never do that. Never do that. But a CA basically showing you what they found defective on the handbag and giving you that right, giving you that choice, guys. That's what we need. So yes, CAs, if that handbag comes in, even the handbag that you sell us, even if it's not a pre-order, don't give us a display handbag. You go to the back, it's new handbags back there, but you box up the display handbag. Pay attention to what you are doing. Even the new handbags in the bag. If I come in and I want, hey, an on-the-go tote, a Speedy, you have it in stock, you show me the display handbag, go to the back and get a new handbag. Even if it's a new handbag, guys, inspect it. Check it out in the back. Check it out in the bag. Don't let me go home and find this out, especially if I bought it in store and it wasn't a pre-order. That's even worse because you had the opportunity in the back to check. So do you understand what I'm saying, CAs? Like, it's some very, very good CAs out there. I understand you guys have to meet a certain quota, but I'm telling you, if you treat us good, guys, in return, we are going to do the same. Stick a couple of samples in there. Stick a couple of samples in the bags, guys. 1 or 2. I'm telling you, we will come back. You basically just created another sale right there. We will come back for that fragrance. Okay? So I wanted to bring this to light. Again, CAs, I understand how hard it is. I know you guys are working hard trying to make these quotas. But please, if that's your title, a CA, guys, do your job. Do your job. And even as customers and clients, I told you guys, we have to also stop bugging these CAs if we are not ready to pay. That is so irritating. And I understand because when I sell my handbags, the frustration is real. The frustration is real. Having me send a million pictures, having me send videos, only to tell me, you know what? I have bills to pay. I have this. You knew you had bills to pay before you emailed me. Bills before bags. Take care of all of that. Or, you know, my husband is at home, or I'm at work right now emailing you, so I don't have time to pay it. So don't email me while you are at work. Wait till you get home, and if the handbag is still available, guys, then you purchase, okay? So we have a job to do as well. But CAs, this is something that you honestly are getting paid for, and I'm trying to tell you how to be a great CA, okay? And if we feel protected, if we feel like you have our back, guys, I promise, we will come back and shop with just you. Okay, so guys, I wanted to speak on this, and like I said, I'm not here to offend anyone. I know some great CAs. Jim_LV, she's amazing. She's amazing. I can just tell by her comments. She's very attentive to her comments, and she's amazing, guys. She really is. And it's a few. I think I'm gonna make a list of great CAs that you guys can honestly reach out to if you are ready to pay for a handbag. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.